Welcome to this channel CSR Net Life Science. So this is a video for syllabus of plant biochemistry for ICR Net ARS and STO examination 2021. So this is the syllabus unit number 1, basic biochemistry and the biomolecules. Scope and importance of the biochemistry and molecular biology in plant structure and functional organization of prokaryotes, eukaryote cell, viruses, bacteriophage cell organelle function and their fractional chemical bonding in biological system, pH buffer and thermodynamics and bioenergetics, concept entropy, free energy changes in biochemistry, biological reactions, redox reaction, and role in high energy phosphatase and biomembrane classification, structure, chemistry, properties and function of the carbohydrate, protein, lipid, nucleic acid component of the immune system, and prostaglandins. I think this unit will cover लेनेंजियर एंड अगर आपको कोई और भी बुक अच्छी पता हो तो से इसको प्रेफर कर सकते हैं. Unit number 2 is intermediary metabolism, anabolism, catabolism, their regulation, metabolism of carbohydrate, glycolytic pathway, HMP pathway, TCA, glycooxylate pathway, and glyconeogenesis, biological oxidation, ETS, oxidative phosphorylation, lipid metabolism, degradation and biosynthesis of fatty acids, ketogenesis, cause of ketosis, biosynthesis of sterols, and phospholipid amino acid metabolism, catabolism of amino acid, transamination, deamination, urea cycle, biosynthesis of amino acid, conversion of amino acid into the bioactive molecule, metabolism, nucleic acid, acid degradation, biosynthesis of purine, pyrimidines and nucleotide, integration of carbohydrate, lipid and amino acid metabolism, signal transduction mechanism, role of the G protein cyclic, nucleic acid, calcium and transduction, disorder of lipids, carbohydrate, nucleic acid, amino acid metabolism, born errors of metabolism, secondary metabolites, biotransformation and the overexpression. Third one is enzyme, vitamins and hormones, major class of enzyme, general properties, kinetics, active site and its mapping, activation energy and transition state, mechanism of enzyme action, inhibition and regulation of enzyme activity, allostatic regulation, coenzymes, cofactors, isoenzyme and immobilized enzyme, regulation of enzyme activity, allostatic regulation, multi-substrate reaction, kinetic experiment of determine the mechanism of multi-substrate reaction, isolation, purification, measurement of enzyme activity, enzyme unit, enzyme engineering, role of enzyme in agriculture, industry and medicine, structure, mode of action and the metabolic function of the vitamins, deficiency, disease associated with vitamins, journal description of nature, hormones and disorder associated with endocrine gland, pituitary, thyroid, adrenal and pancreas and gonads, peptide and steroid hormone, phytohormone like auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene, hibiscus acid and new plant bioregulator like SA and Brasino. फोर्थ यूनिट इज़ मॉलिकुलर बायोलॉजी. आई थिंक ये जो 3 यूनिट है वो आपकी किसी भी बायोकेमिस्ट्री की बुक से कवर हो जाएगी. और जो फोर्थ यूनिट है मॉलिकुलर बायोलॉजी, उसके लिए आप कोई और अलग तरीके की बुक को प्रेफर कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि टी ए ब्राउन और जेनेटिक्स की या मॉलिकुलर बायोलॉजी की कोई अच्छी बुक. और अगर आप नहीं भी चाहते तो आप अपने ग्रेजुएशन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के नोट से इसको कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ICAR के क्वेश्चन लेवल जो होता वो नॉर्मल होता, नॉट जस्ट लाइक फॉर CSIR की तरह नहीं होता वो. तो नेक्स्ट है मॉलिकुलर बायोलॉजी, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ DNA and RNA, replication, transcription and translation, post translation and translation modification, transcription and translation control of prokaryotes, eukaryotes, features of genetic code in prokaryotes and eukaryotes, genetic expression operon model, induction and repression, control of gene expression in prokaryotes, eukaryotes, chloroplant and mitochondrial genome expression in prokaryotes and replication of virus, mutagenesis, oncogene and carcinogenesis, general principle of recombinant DNA technology, restriction enzyme method of gene transfer, plasmid and virus as vector, DNA and protein sequence analysis, oligonucleotide synthesis, genome and cDNA library construction, site-directed mutagenesis, transposons, tagging, chromosome walking, basis of genome organization and mapping, functional genome, gene silencing, method for development of genetic organism, computer application in molecular biology, primer designing, sequencing, analyzing and phylogenetic analysis, benefit of gene manipulation in agriculture, nanobiotechnology and biochips. Unit number 5 is technique in biochemistry, principle of optical phase contrast fluorescence, electron microscopy, which is found in any microbiology book like Pelzar and Prescott, आई थिंक, है ना. और उसके अलावा भी आप किसी और बुक को प्रेफर कर सकते हैं. स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमेट्री, यूवी विज फ्लूरियोमेट्री, टर्बिडोमेट्री एंड एटॉमिक एब्जॉर्प्शन फोटोमेट्री, रेडियो आइसोटोप्स टेक्निक, counters and autoradiography and their application in biological sciences, phylactrophoresis, general principle and application, gel electrophoresis, isoelectric focusing, pulsed field gel electrophoresis, immunoelectrophoresis, chromatographic technique, paper thin layer column chromatography, GC and HPLC, centrifugation, principle of segmentation in various rotor, differential centrifuge, density gradient density gradient centrifugation and ultracentrifugation, cell tissues and organ culture, cryptopreservation, PCR application of RFLP, RAPD and AFLP, microsatellites and the mitochondrial ribotyping techniques, southern, northern and western blotting, ELISA, microarray and DNA chips, preliminary method of the statistical analysis as supplied to the agricultural data, standard deviation, standard error and ANOVA, correlation and regression. So unit 6 is biochemistry of food, grains and fruit and vegetable. So fundamental of nutrition, concept of balanced diet, nutrition, quality of protein and its evolution, dietary fibers, vitamins, biochemical function and deficiency, disease, fat, lipid, type of fatty acids and their significance in health, biochemical composition and food value of various food grains including the cereals, pulses, oil seeds, fruit and vegetable, बायोकेमिस्ट्री ऑफ फ्रूट राइपनिंग, है ना. और उसके बाद क्या है, बायोकेमिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द पोस्ट हार्वेस्टिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, स्टोरेज एंड प्रिजर्वेशन, बायोकेमिकल बेसिस ऑफ द क्वालिटी improvement of food grain, vegetable and fruits, antioxidant, nutraceuticals, food toxins and anti-metabolites, food additives, storage, protein, फोटोसिंथेसिस, जो कि आपको तेज एंड जेगर से आई थिंक ज़्यादा बेस्ट मिलेगी आप, क्योंकि वो पूरी प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी की बुक है और उसमें ये सारी प्रोसेस बहुत ही डिटेल और अच्छे, मतलब CSIR लेवल की प्रिपरेशन भी आपकी उस बुक के थ्रू हो सकती है. So the photosynthetic pigment, light reaction, photophosphorylation, dark reaction, C3C4 CAM pathway, regulation of ribosco and chemoosmotic carbon cycle and its regulation, ion fluxes and conformational change during the photosynthesis, photorespiration, relationship between the photosynthesis, photorespiration, crop productivity, chloroplasm, morphology, structure and biochemical anatomy, cytosolic and organelle interaction, nature and exchange of metabolic through the translocators, seed reservoir, biosynthesis. Next unit is plant metabolic process, uptake and metabolism of mineral nutrition of plant, sulfur metabolism, nitrogen cycle, nitrate and nitrate reductase, denitrification, symbiotic and non-symbiotic, nitrogen fixation, biochemical and physiochemical role of hydrogenase, chemoautotrophy in rhizobia and nitrifying bacteria. So guys, I have already made this video on this topic, nitrogen fixation and biogeochemical cycle, in which include all cycle like sulfur cycle, iron cycle and so on, and in which also full detail of all microorganism which takes part in this cycle. So you can watch this video and the link will in description, and we have also a Telegram channel, so you can join and download any kind of book PDF in free of cost, and there are so many PDF in this channel. So please subscribe our YouTube channel as well, our Telegram channel, and so unit number 8 is अपटेक, यस सॉरी यहाँ आते तो हम लोग थे सेल साइकिल पे, ग्रोथ रेगुलेशन इन द प्लांट एंड सिग्नल ट्रांसडक्शन एंड फाइटो हार्मोन्स, मॉलिकुलर मैकेनिज्म ऑफ प्लांट ग्रोथ, हार्मोन एक्शन, रोल ऑफ ऑलिगोसैकेराइड, पॉलीसैकेराइड इन सेलुलर मेटाबॉलिज्म, मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ साइनोजेनिक glycosides and glucosinolates. And ninth unit is plant molecular biology, general organization of nuclear, mitochondrial and chloroplast genome, genomics and functional genome, tissue specific expression of gene, molecular biology of various tissue, dot salinity and temperature, signal transduction and its molecular basis, molecular mechanism of plant hormone action, structure, organization and regulation of gene involvement, photosynthesis, nitrogen fixation, regulation of chloroplast gene expression, mitochondrial control of fertility, molecular markers in plant and their uses. Next unit is, and this is the last unit, so this unit for the plant biotechnology and genetic engineer, so in which include the plant improvement and preservation, and also about their modifications like gene transformation and gene silencing, site directed mutagenesis, molecular analysis of transformation and so on. And there is also included the tolerance, herbicide resistance, storage, protein quality, increasing shelf life, oil quality, biosafety and IPR issue. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please join our channel on Telegram, and at least you have checked once. There are so many PDF which help a lot in, as well as your CSIR, ICR and any other kind of examination. So thank you for watching this video, or please subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thank you.